Hello, my name is George, and in today's video, we're comparing Verizon 5G home internet versus AT&T fiber to help you decide which one is the better fit for your home. We'll break down their prices, speeds, perks, and overall value so you can make an informed decision. And before we get into it, just a quick note, some links in the description are affiliate links. That means that if you decide to sign up through them, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, and now let's get started. Let's know the main differences first between the two options. Verizon 5G home internet and AT&T fiber are two popular options for home internet, but they work in very different ways. Verizon 5G home internet uses 5G wireless technology, meaning it delivers internet through Verizon's cellular network instead of traditional cables. This makes setup quick and easy. Just plug in the router and you're online. It's a great choice for people who want affordable, flexible internet without the hassle of installation. Now, on the other hand, AT&T Fiber uses fiber optic cables to provide super fast, reliable connections, making it ideal for heavy streaming, gaming, and working from home. Unlike 5G, fiber internet speeds are consistent and stable, but it does require professional installation. Both providers offer solid features, but which one is right for you? Well, let's break it down. What plans and pricing does Verizon 5G home internet offer? Verizon makes it simple with just two plans for home internet. The first is 5G home internet, which costs $35 per month. This is a solid choice if you need internet for basic browsing, streaming, or working from home. The second option is 5G Home Plus, priced at $45 per month. This plan gives you everything in the basic plan but adds extra perks. If you like streaming, you'll appreciate that Disney Plus, Hulu, and ESPN Plus are free for 6 months. You also get up to 1 year of Walmart Plus membership, which includes free deliveries, fuel discounts, and other savings. Pricing can vary a little depending on where you live. In some areas, the 5G Home Plus plan costs around $65 per month, but it delivers faster, more stable speeds that are better for streaming, gaming, and households with multiple devices. One major benefit of switching to Verizon is that they cover up to $500 in early termination fees if you're leaving another provider. So if you're stuck in a contract with someone else and want to switch, Verizon helps make that transition easier. How well does Verizon 5G home internet perform? Verizon's 5G home internet runs on their 5G wireless network, which means no cables or messy installations. You just plug in the router and start using the internet. There are no hidden fees, no surprise charges, and full home Wi-Fi coverage. So you shouldn't have dead zones in your house. That being said, 5G speeds can vary depending on where you live. If you're in an area with strong Verizon 5G coverage, you can expect fast, reliable internet. But if your area has weaker 5G signals, speeds might not be as consistent, especially during peak hours when a lot of people are using the network. Verizon's 5G home internet coverage is growing fast, now available in most of the US states. They're even expanding service into Canada and Mexico for business customers. But before signing up, it's always a good idea to check coverage in your area to make sure you'll get good speeds. What does AT&T Fiber offer? How much does it cost? And how secure is it? AT&T Fiber is designed for speed, reliability, and security, giving you multiple options to choose from based on how much internet power you need. Unlike traditional cable internet, AT&T Fiber delivers faster upload and download speeds thanks to its fiber optic network, making it a great choice for streaming, gaming, and smart home setups. If you're looking for an entry-level plan, AT&T offers a 300 megabits per second plan, which is great for everyday browsing, video calls, and streaming. It's also 15 times faster in upload speeds than traditional cable internet, making it ideal if you have smart home devices that rely on steady connection. For households with multiple users, the 500 megabits per second plan offers more speed and better performance for low latency gaming and video conferencing. It has 20 times faster upload speeds than cable, ensuring smoother performance for high demand activities. Now, the 1 gigabit per second plan is the most popular choice. This plan is ideal for people who work from home, game competitively, or streaming 4K. It provides 25 times faster upload speeds than cable, helping you power through high bandwidth activities without interruptions. For those who need even more performance, AT&T Fiber offers 2 gigabit and 5 gigabit plans. These are perfect for power users, smart home enthusiasts, and businesses that require ultra-fast speeds and maximum reliability. With the 2 gigabit plan, you get AT&T extended Wi-Fi coverage service included, a $120 per year value, which eliminates dead zones by providing up to 5 Wi-Fi extenders if needed. You also get AT&T Active Armor Advanced Internet Security valued at $80 per year, which protects your network with VPN access, ID monitoring, and threat protection. The 5 gigabit plan is AT&T's most powerful option, offering 134 times faster upload speeds than cable. Like the 2 gig plan, it includes extended Wi-Fi coverage and Active Armor security, making it the best choice for next-gen technology, high-end gaming, smart home automation, and future-proofing your internet connection. AT&T Fiber isn't just about speed. It also stands out for security and customer support. Every AT&T Fiber plan includes AT&T Active Armor Advanced Internet Security at no extra cost. This helps protect your devices from cyber threats, phishing scams, and data breaches, providing an extra layer of security without any additional fees. Now, if you want even more protection, AT&T offers a home tech protection plan for $25 per month, covering repairs, replacements, and 24/7 expert support for nearly any electronic device in your home. They also provide in-home consultations for $49 per device, making it easy to set up new tech or troubleshoot any connectivity issues. While pricing varies by location, AT&T Fiber continues to be a leader in speed and reliability. In fact, AT&T Fiber was ranked the fastest internet in the US by Ookla Speed Test in 2024, making it a top choice for those who want high performance, lag-free internet for both work and entertainment. Which one should you choose? Verizon 5G home internet or AT&T Fiber? So, which one is right for you? Now, if you want affordable, flexible internet plan with an easy setup, Verizon 5G home internet is a great choice. There are no complicated installations, no hidden fees, and you get extra perks like free streaming services and Walmart Plus membership. It's one of the most budget-friendly options available, and it's perfect for people who want a simple, no-fuss plan. However, if you need faster speeds, more reliability, and security, AT&T Fiber is the better option. It's more expensive, but you get what you pay for, especially if you game, streaming 4K, or work from home. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.